Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. Happy Cast Iron Wednesday. Thought I'd make chili dogs because they just sounded good. And I'm going to be making what I call cheater chili. It's a real quick, easy, simple chili. I've actually made it on this channel before, so I won't really, I might just touch the highlights and we'll go from there. Let's get cooking. So first thing we got, ground beef. Just using a, I'll be honest, I cooked my bacon in this pan, so I hadn't washed it yet because it's only been a few hours. But I'm going to use it to cook my ground beef in. So I got a jalapeno here I was actually going to make last week. And I forgot to use it. Oh, it's for the nachos. It doesn't smell bad. It's, you know, the outside's a little, but I'm going to throw it in the blender and purify it. And then where the cheating part is, I'm going to use a jar of salsa. This is just medium paste picante salsa. And the reason I blend it is because it makes it, you know, smooth. It turns it into more of a sauce. Just a little bit of water in the jar. Plus, you don't have to chop all the ingredients because everything's already chopped up in there. Alright, and done. Let's go ahead and put the salsa in. See how nice and smooth it is? Waste not, want not. Just a little bit of water. Don't want to waste any of it. Got a can of black beans with onion, garlic, and chili spices. Kind of wish I'd left the onion out, but it's all good, I guess. Not much I can do about it. And then I got some chili pinto beans. At this time I'd like to extend an apology to my coworkers. Alright, for the beans. I got some seasoned ground beef. Sweet. Look at that. Now granted, a homemade chili, you know, soak the beans, cook them in a crock pot overnight, fresh ingredients, homemade tomato sauce probably would have been way better, but like I said, it's actually a work day. It's Tuesday, honestly, it's Tuesday today, so I'm doing this, and I worked in a few hours, or actually I work in less than 2 hours. Oh, there we go. Now, as far as seasonings go, I have 2 tablespoons of chili powder. I'd say about a tablespoon of cumin, a tablespoon of Slap Your Mama white, about a teaspoon of paprika, and then about a tablespoon and a half. I didn't measure these 3 to be honest. I only measured the cumin. That's that garlic powder with the Costco garlic powder I've been using. I'm actually anxiously waiting to use it up so I can move on in my life and get other stuff. So, plus the older your seasonings get, the less potent they become because they actually dry out. But there we go, nice simple chili. Now I want to turn this up a bit. I want to bring it up to at least a simmer so I can turn it down to or bring it up to a slight boil so I can drop it down to a simmer, and then just let it sit on a slow simmer for about an hour, and we'll check it. We're just starting to see some bubble action. Now it's the time to taste it, because I mentioned tasting, but I realized I said it out of order, so I got to taste it first. And then let it simmer, see if it's salty enough, see if it's, you know, got enough chili powder. I might need a little bit more chili powder. I intentionally went a little bit light on some of the seasonings because it's easier to add them. Then it's almost impossible to take them out. So, man, it looks good too. I could actually eat it just like this, but I'm gonna let it simmer. You know what? That is great. Ooh, and that jalapeno Gives it that little extra oomph. And I forgot, I got some tomato paste I was going to add. So I might actually add a good and healthy amount of this because I'm trying to get rid of it. It's been in there a little bit. Which I actually have a jar of spaghetti sauce. I was going to make spaghetti at some point for dinner. Maybe later this week or this weekend. And the cap's being a pain. So I don't think this paste is bad. I think it's getting to the point where I got to use it up or it will get bad. Actually, that little spoonful, I'm going to have another little taste because that was actually really good. Really good. Alright. Get that tomato paste stirred in there. I'm happy with the seasonings. Hot. Oh yeah. Man, that jalapeno really, it makes its presence, but not so you were just eating, not just like you're burning your lungs out. That's good. Alright, smell of this chili is driving me nuts. I'm gonna have to go ahead and get my dogs going. Gotta give that chili another taste, see if the seasoning is to my liking. Guess we can take a peek at the chili real quick. Oh man. Tell you what, the smell in here is just on another level. Man, love chili. Have another taste, just because I can. Man, I'm getting my buns ready. I do like a little bit of mustard on my dogs though, so. Yes, I know I'm putting chili on there, but that's alright. Turn that heat down. So getting my dogs warmed up. I kind of keep rotating them so they don't char too badly all on one side. I hate when that happens. It should be pretty close. Alrighty. I just went with some classic American cheese because I just happen to have that on hand. Alright. Finish these dogs off. I normally put on a whole lot of chili, so I have to eat it with a fork. This time I'm going to try it just this way. And there you go. Chili dogs. Alright, one final look before we dig in. You saw how I made it? Super simple, super easy. Alrighty. One chili dog. Oh man. And chili is just really good. Alright, well I'm going to enjoy my lunch. I'll catch you guys in a few. Alright, well needless to say, clean plate. Also went back and grabbed a bowl too because the dogs just weren't enough. Anyway, delicious chili, easy to make. If you have any questions on how I made it, just let me know. Gotta head to work, so don't forget to check the description for playlist for Caster and Lindsay, and also I've been throwing Shovelhead H channel in there as well because he's the kind of one who does the drawings every month for the new Caster and Lindsay. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Have a great day. Have a great rest of your week too.